The legend blushed, then turned the other cheek, suspending disbelief, smashing down the rebel and the pledge. Beneath the rubble, wrecking some bonds that were ending civilized. I can't remember, and I try not to forget all this pathway. Stubbing my steel toe left to feel, so that my broken heart can keep beating. Stopped dead in its tracks. From the final shot fired in my arm, all I had was one fix I had hid, and I did it my way. Rightfully dead, end of game, last hand played. Some stretch skips a turn, marching on with my broken heart beating. Stopped dead in its tracks. It lands in a heap, earth returns single-handedly. Digs one last hole so deep for me, digging deep my last hole for me. As I sit in my cell, hear the chime of the bell, near the time for the toll to pay the fiddler and troll. Cross the bridge dimly lit, led to hell's open gate, where my victims all patiently wait. I'm digging deep my last hole for me, no more secrets left to keep. Digging deep my last hole for me. Can't deny that I'll lie in the bed that I have made, crossing lines that define the roads traveled and paved. Must admit that the truth is best left unsaid, for the bold and the brave in the end words are trite. Bared no burden worth reckoning, bound for the grave. Found the fallow ground wicked ones hallowed forgave. Through the world forth an answer, though prayers set unheard. Birth of blessing saved nothing, as last rites are purged. Only sins of believers, some deeply deserved. Never unearthed the reasons, rage surface return. Sacred surge remains safely reserved for the wretched to learn once they're finally allowed to come home. No longer to linger, no longer with sins to atone. I'm digging deep my last hole from me, just a slip of the heart parts the whip from the pole. I'm digging deep my last hole for me. If I should die before I wake, before the guards and priests arrive to take me from this cold dark cell, to walk the mile and strap me still, inject the lethal dose which intervenes a life of shooting straight beyond the vein locked gate, main line derailed, an equal route to hell. Only one place extradites the damned. I'm digging deep my last hole for me, digging deep my last hole for me. The legend blushed, then to the other cheek, suspending disbelief, smashing